This is a Grande Pacific production. And this is
Howard Goodwin.
And we're at the
Great Cypress Lines in Ackworth, Georgia.
Okay, and this is our visit tonight with the OPSEG group with the NMRA National Convention in Atlanta, Georgia, and it's July 2013.
Cool.
I just don't know if it's going to sell.
Gil.
Just don't know if it's going to sell. Oh, whoop, the sign.
Well, he started at $50.
I got a nice long list that I filled out.
I hope y'all go bid.
Yeah,
I'm willing to buy it if I get it.
Last minute,
That's what well, I kind of looked at it, but I'm not sure.
I run the program everywhere. Just everybody sign in so I have a record.
What I did, I've got both radios.
Right.
Mine don't last that long.
Right.
So I've got one on charge, I can just flip them out.
Okay.
That way I can keep radio power going.
All right.
People get the train.
Well, mine's been on every day for a while because I've been working on it. So I'll let you take pictures.
Okay.
I don't need to be here.
No, I just.
Okay.
This
go
is
ahead.
the general overall view.
All
Then
right.
we shoot something during the operating session.
Okay, cool.
So that's the track, the one staging. It's the north-south railroad, and you come out and you work your way around the railroad. And here we have some very nice hand-laid track.
Right.
So this is the entrance.
The aisle to this. And there's a bridge that goes across the aisle to this.
What's it called? The alley?
The abyss. A-B-Y, however you spell abyss, A-B-Y-S-S. The only reason I know about that is in the material that he sent out.
And I guess this is all of our past model railroaders here.
System that goes with that.
I don't see any train.
I didn't digest it.
I don't understand that. In the club in New Orleans, we had a cemetery, and they had been in the club's now almost 60 years old. So it's got a pretty long list of past members who are no longer with it. And they had a cemetery with all the names on the tombstones. Looks like we need to get the water in here. To be done later. Ontario Northern. Weed and feed. Scottsville.
No, I mean, I got it. I don't know if you know.
You can that's the battery. I think I want the battery bad. I can charge it.
We'll see what we get to do anyway.
Well, I got that one. If you want it, if you want it, don't.
You know, that's the one thing about this railroad, and I won't apologize for it. I got some narrow aisles, but I built them for operation.
Well,
not
we're
for-
just gonna have to step to the end.
They're
there.
the back and the
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
that's exactly what those are for, is the passing sidings.
Okay. Oh, so we're gonna have a
you know,
warrant,
when I
right?
have
A
some
warrant
high
for
and
the
wide
aisle?
loads or just wide loads, they'll be able to get through there, but you do it in the corners.
So you have warrants for the aisles?
I'm sorry?
Warrants for the aisles, which thing?
No, not warrants, only.
One thing it tells you,
Yeah, I gotta move a couple of.
What is? I don't know if you still got that couple in the. Couple in the back.
Sorry?
I don't know. You had it in you. I don't know. Maybe you showed me one time. Kind of where it is now.
Putting a towel on the feet.
This family, yeah. They're happy to do it.
My son always puts using them on top of the chimney. And we have some factory things on top of the chimney. He'll put a little,
I don't know what they call this, Mount Monkey more? Instead of Mount Rushmore, this is Mount Monkey. Hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil. Uh-oh. I have a feeling we're coming across the door here. We'll have to get a picture of this with the door up.
Yeah, I think probably all the ones on the map